Alright guys, Gadgets 123, we're back. Sorry about my voice guys, under the weather. Basically the change in temperatures here in the East Coast is crazy. One days is nice and warm, another days like goes down 20 degrees and goes up. So you could imagine if you guys live in the East Coast, pretty much anywhere nowadays, this weather's getting crazy. Anyways, hopefully I'll get through this without much issue there. Anyways, if you guys check my other video, I did the unboxing for this Sony Bluetooth speaker. This is mostly in the high end. It costs about $140. That's $140 plus via Amazon Prime. The link is down in the description, so check that out if you guys want to support the channel. But again, thanks again for everybody for checking out our channel and checking out everything we've been doing so far. We do appreciate all the views and all the support. So again guys, motivate us to do more videos, and again try to bring you as many things I could find, unboxing, and hopefully a couple of troubleshooting steps for your phones, since I do a lot of the phone repairs myself. So let me get through this video here. Now again, the previous video, if you want to check the unboxing, what comes in the specs on this speaker, check my previous video. I linked it in the description as well. But we're gonna do the sound test on this Sony speaker. So we're gonna turn it on. So as soon as you turn it on, as you could see around the grill, it does light up. It changes colors, which is actually pretty cool. So hold on guys. Just turn off the lights. Hopefully you guys see that. Sorry, I turn off the lights, so the lights do change colors, which is actually pretty cool. And I did put my iPhone 7 Plus next to it on my previous video, but I put it again just so you could get an idea how big it is. It's pretty much the size of almost two iPhone 7 Pluses. So just to get an idea of the size of the speaker and how thick it is, so you could compare it. It's pretty thick, which is cool. It's actually a nice size speaker if you want something for the house, like a little party, a little reunion. You can't go wrong with this one. All right, so we're gonna put some music on again. Non-copyrighted stuff, guys. I can just randomly put whatever I want. We're gonna it's on half volume right now, so we're gonna increasingly go up in volume. Now keep in mind, I have not pressed this button, which is the external bass. So we're gonna do it without the external bass, and then we'll do it with the external bass, so you can see a little bit of the difference. You see that extra bass kicking in the speakers. So right now we're gonna do it without the extra bass, and we're gonna just play some music and go from there. All right guys. All right, guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna pause it right there. Just I put it at full volume. It's pretty loud, guys. I actually went to the second floor just to, you know, kind of get some perspective on the volume, and it's actually pretty good. Now, I played it without the extra bass, so I'm gonna be moving now the bass on and off. We're gonna go back to that part where the bass starts, you know, hitting the song. So let me just go here real quick. Okay, I want to go to that part because that's the part that, you know, we're gonna be able to hear that extra bass kick in and see how it sounds. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the bass. So it says extra bass here, so we're gonna turn it on, and then I'll turn it on and off randomly, and maybe you guys could hear the difference. So it's on right now. Alright, guys, before we continue, this part we're gonna do it twice. I'm gonna play without the bass right now. Right when the when that part of the song, you know, you hear that, you know, on the song, and then I'm gonna back it up a little bit and then play with that bass. So maybe you guys could tell the difference from one to the other. I'm gonna try to go as much volume as I can right now, and then we just go from there. All right, so you're gonna hear this song, this part, play, and then it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna play again, but the second time it's gonna be with the bass. All right, all right. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know. It's hard because I'm recording from a phone, so I don't know if you guys could hear the difference. But I could feel the difference. I could feel the actual speaker jump more when I turn on the extra bass, and then you could definitely hear it. I could hear, especially when it hit that part of the song where it you know, started making that, you know, like louder. You needed that louder bass. You could definitely feel it. You could definitely feel it and hear it. At full volume, I had to lower it down after a couple of seconds. Well, probably about 15, 20 seconds. Because if you're pretty close to it, it sounds pretty loud. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys want me to review other stuff, let me know. I'm going to try to do my best. Again, this is the Sony. Shoot, I can't even find the damn box now.